Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your support pin from HarmonWeb clients area. Let's get started. So your support pin is typically used for accessing customer support services or for verifying your identity when you're seeking technical assistance or making inquiry about a particular product or services. So in general, your support pin securely verifies your identity and ensures that you receive the assistance you need from a customer support or technical support team. So to get your support pin on HarmonWeb, log into your HarmonWeb clients area. Now from your HarmonWeb clients area, you see the support pin here. Now you can see this tab here. You click on the drop down icon here. So from here you can see your support pin. So with this your support pin, you'll be able to receive assistance from the customer support or from the technical support team. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video has helped you out. If you have any question, feel free to leave them at the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with our latest video.